400cc bike. A lot of people wrote this off. This area here. Hey guys, I'm just doing some final touches on my H2 here and wanted to share a little tip with all of you. To anybody who's using this PMC replacement hardware for either the headlight buckets or triple trees, etc. One thing I highly recommend before installing it is running a tap and die through the hardware. The reason for this is these are chrome plated, and for whatever reason, once these are torqued down, I don't know if the plating binds with itself or not. Basically what happens is the threads weld onto each other and you cannot get these off. I've had several bolts where I tighten them on, and the next time I go to remove the bolt, it literally shears the shaft because they're just fused on. No, that's not from over torquing or anything like that. It's just the chrome plating somehow welds the nut to the bolt. So I just got this new set. I'm going to put them on my H2 to replace the ones that already fused and snapped off. So I just chased a tap and die through the nut and over the bolt, and hopefully that should fix the problem and save me lots of aggravation in the future. There you have it guys, little tech tip. Whenever you get chrome hardware, please run a tap and die through the nut and the bolt just to make sure you got good clearances and it doesn't fuse on you. Cool, good luck, ride safe.